Wow, from my area. They're playing it on the radio.
7 p.m. Pacific Daylight Time. At 3:24 p.m. Pacific Daylight Time. Doppler radar indicated a thunderstorm producing heavy rain.
Tune to 88.9. 88.9.
Lake Las Vegas, the Motor Speedway, Motor Valley, Colorado Bay, Campground, Overton Beach, Valley of Fire, Logandale, Las Vegas Bay, Campground, and Sunrise MTN. This includes Interstate 50.
It's issued for our area.
Sweet. And between mile markers 92 and 95. Flash flooding is expected in washes, low water crossings, and on roads. To escape rising water, move to higher ground. Never try to cross a flooded road or enter a flood channel. Turn around, don't drown. Report flooding to the Las Vegas National Weather Service via Facebook or Twitter.
Any carrots?
Sweet.
Carrots, red peppers.
Yeah.
Alright, if you heard, it was issued for North Las Vegas, which is our area. I'm in my parents' room right now. I'm trying to find their phone, see if they got an alert. I'll just go downstairs, see if my dad has the alert. Oh, I just remembered. My dad went somewhere, and I can't get it on my phone because my phone is broken. It will not charge, so I might have to get a new phone. But there it is. You heard it first. And if you were wondering what radio station, okay, so take note, guys. If you live in the Las Vegas area, to get to the primary designated stations,
But no, I am standing in the conference room with my entire staff.
I'll turn that off real quick. Come out here just to see. But so this is a required monthly test schedule for my Southern Nevada and Inyo County in California. So here are the two primary designated stations, 88.9 FM, 107.5 FM. Those are their call signs. And then this is for AM, KDWN. And then this is for No Weather radio station for Vegas. It's 162.550, call sign WXL36. Now I'm trying to get it to stream on my computer, but I can't, and I don't have a No Weather radio with me. So yeah. So, oh, and here's a sneak peek of my next video. Oh, I had this thing running. I was doing a narration for a flash flood warning. This is a sneak peek of a next video. This is from my friend Beastie for Life. I'll put his link in the description below. Make sure you subscribe to him. He taped the flash flood warning, sent it to me through Facebook, and I asked him if I can use his footage for my video. He was kindly enough to say yes. So right there, that's the text. I'm actually recording the narration right now, so there you go. More to come, so until then, peace.